Hey, so being an esthetician for like 20 years, I was really curious about these Allure, I guess, monthly subscription boxes. So I signed up for a year and I get something every month. It's like $18 a month. So I'm curious, what's inside, and I want to do like a reveal of what's in these boxes. I actually got two and go through it, and then I can let you know, like I'll try the things and let you know what I think. So I've been doing skincare for like over 20 years, so I'm just curious, what they send out. Okay, so first we get a hand cream. Next we get a Sunday Riley retinoic niacinamide eye serum. So I'm always interested in trying new eye serums, so I'll be curious how this one is. Let me just see the consistency at first. All right, so this has like those lip balm type of applicator. It's creamy and it doesn't really have a scent, and it's pretty heavy. So I'll let you know what I think of this eye product. Then we got an M Skin Rose Gold Facial Radiance Booster. All right, I like boosters. I've been trying different ones. So looks like this. Let's see my initial thoughts. So it's pink in color, and it is pretty rosy. I actually tend to like the not the rose, like more the silver tone. My initial thought is I don't like it. It's like slimy and sticky. So I don't know. We'll let you know about that one. Next, I'm like blind, so let me see. So it is a moisture boost cream with hyaluronic, and that's all it says, hyaluronic and ceramides. All right, so here we go. This is 1 ounce by Beauty Stat. Okay, let's see my initial thoughts. It's like a nice creamy product. There is a smell to it. So we'll see. I think the problem is with this is like literally there's no customization to it, and like, so I think it needs to be more customized because I'm like prone to breakouts and I'm like almost 50, so I don't know like how they just randomly send stuff out that's going to be like good for everybody. So I think that could be like a problem with this box situation. Scalp Revival, and that's the other thing, like genetically I have really good hair. I mean, I do some stuff for it, but like I have clients that really struggle and ask me for like hair tips. So I don't know, so we'll see. I don't know how much benefit I'll get out of a Scalp Revival product. But again, for $18, like I can't even buy like a foundation nowadays in the drugstore for $18, so I figured it was like worth trying. And then this is a little perfume, flower balm. So we'll see. My hands are so hydrated now. Get the top off. Let's see. Just spilled it all over me. I thought it would have like a little spritzer, but it's open. Awesome. All right, so we'll let you know how that is. And then we got a Milk Rise mascara. I wonder if it's in like black or brown. Lift, lengthen, and volumize. I love trying new mascaras. That's like one of my things. I think it's like interesting. It doesn't say what color it is on here. So it just says Elevate on the top. So I'll let you know how I like this mascara. All right. So let's break into the second box and see what we got. All right. So So they give you coupons for like their LED light and Allure Beauty Box. And I guess just like blurbs about it and some of the products in here. So like they gave me Cetaphil Deep Hydration. I don't know. I thought it would be like more high-end products. Okay, so this is a scalp oil. So there seems to be a trend. Maybe there's going to be like a scalp product or hair product in each box. Now we have a eye pencil. This is Tarte waterproof and shadow and line filler. All right, so I don't know. 3-in-1 primed shadow and liner, perfect for no makeup days and glam nights, waterproof. All right, so we'll like try this and I'll let you know. I like that like no makeup look, so I was gonna do some videos on that. Also like just like a few products, because as you get older, like the more products that you wear, like it kind of looks bad. And they gave me the same perfume, it looks like. Yes, the same one, so now I have two. And now this is a Saturday Skin Rub-a-Dub. So I have no idea about like products at the store, and my clients had asked me during COVID, so I did some videos and I can link them of me trying like products from Sephora or Ulta for the first time, because I've owned a skincare business and done facials for like 20 years. So I really didn't need to go to the store to buy any facial products really. So I was really surprised at like what was out there, and I don't have a lot of experience in like trying products that aren't like spa or medical products. So Saturday Skin Rub-a-Dub, reviving peel on the go. So I love like little peels for at home. Cleanse and pat dry your face, gently apply to the face, rub in circular motions for 1 minute, and then rinse with warm water. So water, glycerin, I don't know. There's like no acids in the first like few ingredients. So right off the bat, like I don't like it, but I'll try it and let you know. Like I'll actually try it, not just now. I'm just curious what it feels like. I don't know. I'm not like impressed with that, so we will see, but maybe I have an 11-year-old daughter. She might like this. All right, so now we have Mud Mask, a moisture booster, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming eye serum. Okay. So I like trying different eye products because again, I'm like almost 50 and I have clients that are like a lot younger, so they're always like curious for prevention, and then as we get older. This is pretty light, so I think this would be better for a less mature dry skin, but I will for sure let you know after I try that one. And then we have Flawless Complexion Tinted SPF Mineral, which I'm like a huge fan of mineral SPFs for the face. So this is 20% zinc and it's tinted. So the problem is sometimes these are like too matte and I'll have to mix it with something to get more hydration, or it'll be totally the wrong color. So it's pretty sheer. I don't know. I'll have to look at the ingredients and see and further and let you know to make sure, like if you're prone to breakouts, because it feels pretty hydrating. So I think there might be some oils in here, which can be problematic for me and for people like prone to breakouts, because if you're sweating and then it's like an oily product, it's gonna be a problem. So we'll see. All right, and then we have hand and body goat milk cream, which is fine. And then we have this Belief Aqua Bomb Overnight Lip Mask. So I do love overnight lip masks, and I've tried all of them. I know like people like that Laneige, however you pronounce it, one, but I actually really like the Wet n Wild. It's like a 2-step lip treatment and mask. and it's super inexpensive. I like that one actually a lot. This looks like it has an ointment like consistency, like so this could be pretty good. I'll put it on over my lipstick. So off the bat, it feels like Vaseline-y, and from first trying it, I still like the Wet n Wild overnight lip mask better. All right, so that's it. So I don't know, I'm gonna try some of these and I'll do like follow-up review on it. But if you like this, then keep watching. I guess I get a box every month, and I'm curious, you know, as a skincare specialist, what they're sending out. But again, I think it's not customized enough. Even if they ask you like 5 questions, like your age, maybe your skin tone, skin color, eye color, and maybe like preferences, are you prone to breakouts or not? Something like more simple, so that the boxes could be more customized. Because otherwise, I think I'm gonna wind up with a bunch of like random crap that I'm not gonna be able to use. But that's what you get. So keep on watching and watch for my videos on just, you know, applying makeup over 50 and just ways that it can maybe look better, maybe how you're applying it wrong. So things like that I like to talk about to help my clients, give them like a little lift, make them feel better, and just like quick tips. So subscribe, and till next time.